Down to the close, a positive close, a strong close, a gain of nearly 1% on the benchmark indices. The Nifty just shy of 19,700 as it puts on a gain of 180 points. Sensex surging close to about 600 points. The broader markets, which underperformed yesterday, came back very strongly. The Midcap index up 1.4%. The advanced decline ratio had 7 stocks gaining for 2 in the red. Today, all global equity markets had a risk on, so they've shrugged off the conflict, at least for now. So no panic in the global markets, and there was that up move. The big gainer was Coal India, a 5.5% gain on expectations of high dividends coming through in the second half of the year. Adani Ports rebounds 3.5% after yesterday's fall, crosses its 50-day moving average. Bharti Airtel was a big mover, 2.5%, fresh 52-week high. On the financial side, you had Kotak Mahindra Bank and Axis Bank outperforming, and metals had a last 1-hour rally on expectation or hope that China will announce a stimulus. Just 5 Nifty stocks in the red. Notable ones are IndusInd Bank, Cipla, but again, the losses are just 0.3, 0.2, 0.5%.
Okay, let's look at midcaps, which have had a pretty good session today. The index itself is up about 1.3% with a very strong advanced decline ratio. Over 2,300 stocks advancing. So let's find out what most of them were like. A couple of interesting names from the PSU space, both central PSUs and state PSUs. And GMDC stands tall. Huge volumes on the stock today, 20% circuit as the day is closing out. And then if you go down the curve and look at the central PSUs and NBCC, IRFC, NMDC, Coal India, these are some of the names. Even some of the PSU banks came back on the screen today on the upside. Central Bank of India, Union Bank, about 4, 5, 6%, depending on which of these PSU stocks you're looking at. So pretty, good session. IOB, MMTC, PFC, good day for PSUs. Beyond that, some other gainers, of course, came in from the real estate market. Let's not forget that. Godrej Properties, Puravankara, Keystone Realtors, Prestige Estates, 7 to 8% higher. So good day for a lot of these PSU names as well. In terms of stocks that were in the limelight today, in terms of news flow, watch out for Mazgaon Dock. Again, some announcements, recent order win announcements, MOUs, that helped the stock 5% higher. And Genus Power, which would be executing more smart metering projects, that was up about 5% as well. So all in all, great day for midcaps too.
Oh, absolutely. Great day for midcaps. And, the market coming back nicely after yesterday's sell-off that we really saw. So we're back at decent levels, right? 19,700, almost 19,700 is what we have on the index. Almost 1% in the green. The Nifty Bank doing a little better with about 1.1%, which has been the weaker index. But it's good to see that doing a little bit more, making up a little bit more as compared to the Nifty. Well, I think that's a wrap from all of us here on this edition of Closing Bell. But don't go anywhere. Our Tuesday special, Commodity Champions, will take all the action forward. Stay tuned.